today's my subject is EVS and I'm teaching you now chapter number 7 in EVS, name festivals. I'm repeating again chapter number 7, festivals. A festival is gathering of people to celebrate something. The festivals are as on the particular days, so that day is a holiday. And when people have holidays on that day, so then they can celebrate this festival at a very nice way. Yes students, festivals are like gathering of people, meeting your cousins, friends, family and having lots of fun together. Students, festivals are ultimately teaches us our rituals and how to celebrate this festival, which way that festival teaches us, living in the community and sharing the thoughts of each and other. Students, you all are also have fun like this. So students, there are many festivals celebrated in India. Many rituals are celebrated in India. Like Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Shivratri, Dashera, Diwali, Ramzan, Eid and many more. And some are national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day. That festivals are called our national festivals. So students, our chapter number 7 is on page number 38. So now I am reading and explaining to you. Festivals are time for celebration and fun. As I explained before, we celebrated festivals for fun and enjoyment. Schools and the offices remain closed on the festivals. So, schools and offices are closed on the festivals. There are declared holidays. We dress in our best clothes whenever every festival is there. Yes students, you are wearing a new clothes. We prepare special food. On each and every festival has their own ritual foods. So, you prepare a special food there. We celebrate festivals with our family and friends. Yes students, you are also celebrating this with your family and friends. So students, in that our first festival is National Days. National Days. Some special days such as Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called National Days. So students, Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called our national days. They are celebrated all over India. They celebrate in all over India. This festival like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated in the all over India. Next one on the page number 39, Republic Day. Republic Day. We celebrated Republic Day on 26 January every year. Yes students, we celebrated our Republic Day on 26 January. On this day, we salute our nation flag. There is a great parade in front of India Gate in New Delhi. Yes students, on this we salute our nation and we salute our national flag. There is a grand parade in front of India, New Delhi, India Gate. Next festival is Independence Day. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Yes students, we are celebrating our Independence Day on 15th August. India became free from British rule on 15 August 1947. So when India became free British rule in 15 August 1947. On this day, we raise the Indian flag and sing the national anthem. So on this day, we raise the Indian flag and sing the national anthem. On the next, Gandhi Jayanti. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. So students, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, he is our father of nation. And his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is known as father of our nation. He was also called Bapu. Yes, the little children are called him Bapu. Next is other festivals. Other festival. So, in other festival, Eid. Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. So, Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. People wish each other Eid Mubarak. People wish each other and hug, then after say Eid Mubarak. And prepare sweets like sevaiya. They all are getting together and sharing the food and preparing sweets like sevaiya. They often special praise at the mosque. They offer special praise at the mosque. So students, moving further to the page number 4040. Yes, so Guru Purab is the festival of the Gurus. Guru Purab is the festival of Gurus. People meet and pray at the Gurudwara. People meet at the Gurudwara. This is the festival of Punjabis. They take out procession to celebrate the festival. They take out the processions to celebrate the festivals. Food is served to everyone. Okay, on the next. Yes, which festival is that? Diwali. Yes, students, I know Diwali is your favorite festival. So, let's look the information about Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. So, Diwali is the festival of lights and brightness. People give sweets and gift to each other. Yes, students, your family members and your friend come to your home and giving the foods, great wishes and gifts to each other. They light lamps to decorate their homes and pray to the goddess. So, lights and lamps are decorated at home. Pray to the goddess. Some people also burst crackers. Yes, students, I know you are also love crackers. On the next, Christmas. Yes, which festival is there? Christmas. So, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate a Christmas tree. Yes, students, you are also preparing and decorating the Christmas tree. Exchange the gift and prepare special food. They are exchanges, gifts and preparing special food. They go to the church and offer special prayer. They go to the church and offer special prayer. Students, in the other festivals, which festival is there? Yes, Ramzan. Then after Guru Purab. the end, Christmas. So students, I hope you all are clear with this concept of chapter number 7, festivals. So students, before this video, we will provide you homework in our group. We will meet in our online session for your queries and homework. Thank you.